Welcome to English Listening Podcast. My name is Cody. I am your English coach. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can hear correct pronunciation. You will train your ears and learn to speak English correctly and confidently. Today we are talking about food you like. This is a topic you will use every single day. When you meet friends, when you go to restaurants, when you shop for groceries, when you cook at home. Talking about food is natural and easy, but you need the right words and phrases. You need to sound confident and clear. This English listening practice will help you do exactly that. You can replay this video as many times as you need. Listen multiple times to improve your accent. Practice daily with these videos. With consistent practice, your natural English accent will flow more easily over time. Let me start by asking you a simple question. What is your favorite food? Think about it for a moment. Maybe you love pizza. Maybe you prefer fresh salads. Maybe you enjoy spicy dishes. Or maybe you have a sweet tooth and love desserts. Everyone has different tastes, and that is perfectly fine. The important thing is to express your preferences clearly in English. Now repeat these sentences with me. I love Italian food. My favorite dish is grilled chicken. I really enjoy fresh vegetables. I prefer home-cooked meals. I like trying new flavors. Spicy food is my favorite. I enjoy eating healthy meals. I love the taste of fresh fruit. Let me talk about breakfast foods. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Many people start their morning with coffee or tea. Some people love eggs and toast. Others prefer cereal with milk. Some enjoy pancakes with syrup. And some people like yogurt with fresh berries. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Do you have a routine, or do you change it every day? Talking about your breakfast habits is great English speaking practice. It helps you build confidence in English communication. You can use these phrases at work. You can use them with friends. You can use them when you travel. Clear communication starts with simple topics like food. Now listen and repeat these phrases. I usually have coffee and toast for breakfast. I love scrambled eggs in the morning. I prefer oatmeal with honey. I enjoy a smoothie with fresh fruit. I always start my day with green tea. I like pancakes on the weekend. I eat yogurt with granola every morning. I never skip breakfast. Breakfast gives me energy for the whole day. Now let me talk about lunch. Lunch is usually eaten in the middle of the day. Some people bring lunch from home. Others buy lunch at a restaurant or cafe. Some people prefer light meals. Others like something more filling. Popular lunch options include sandwiches, salads, soups, pasta dishes, and rice bowls. When you talk about lunch, you can describe what you ate. You can talk about where you went. You can share your opinions about the food. This is excellent English listening practice. It helps you improve English pronunciation. It builds your vocabulary naturally, and it makes you more confident when speaking English. Every video you watch contributes to your English learning. Every practice session helps you speak English clearly. Now, repeat these sentences with me. I had a delicious sandwich for lunch today. I usually eat a salad at lunchtime. I prefer soup when the weather is cold. I love pasta with tomato sauce. I enjoy rice bowls with grilled vegetables. I always pack my lunch the night before. I like to try different lunch spots. I eat lunch at my desk most days. I prefer a light lunch so I do not feel tired. Let me talk about dinner now. Dinner is often the biggest meal of the day. Many families eat dinner together. It is a time to relax and enjoy good food. Some people cook dinner at home. Others order takeout or go to restaurants. Popular dinner foods include chicken, fish, beef, pork, and vegetarian options like tofu or beans. You can serve dinner with rice, potatoes, bread, or pasta, and you can add vegetables on the side. Talking about dinner is a great way to practice English speaking. You can describe flavors. You can talk about cooking methods. You can share recipes. You can recommend restaurants. This kind of conversation happens every day, and it is perfect for building communication skills. Now listen carefully and repeat these phrases. I cooked chicken and rice for dinner. I love grilled fish with lemon. I prefer vegetarian meals in the evening. I enjoy steak with roasted potatoes. I usually have a big salad with my dinner. I like to cook dinner for my family. I order pizza on Friday nights. I always try to eat a balanced dinner. Dinner is my favorite meal of the day. Now let me talk about snacks and desserts. Snacks are small foods you eat between meals. They help you stay energized throughout the day. Popular snacks include fruit, nuts, crackers, cheese, and protein bars. Some people prefer sweet snacks. Others like salty or savory options. Desserts are sweet treats you enjoy after a meal, or sometimes just because you want something sweet. Common desserts include cake, ice cream, cookies, brownies, and fruit pies. Talking about snacks and desserts is fun. It is also great for daily English practice. You can describe textures. You can talk about sweetness or richness. You can share your favorite treats. This helps you speak English naturally. It improves your pronunciation, and it builds your confidence in English. Now repeat these sentences with me. I love chocolate chip cookies. I enjoy fresh fruit as a snack. I prefer almonds and cashews. I have a sweet tooth. I love ice cream on hot days. I enjoy a piece of cake after dinner. I like to snack on carrots and hummus. I always keep healthy snacks at my desk. I cannot resist a warm brownie. Now let us talk about how to say what you like and do not like. This is very important for clear communication. When you talk about food you like, you can use simple phrases. These phrases are powerful tools in English speaking practice. They help you sound natural and confident. You can say that you like something a little, or that you like it a lot. You can also say that you do not like something, or that you never want to eat it. You can use these phrases at home, at work, when you travel, or when you join an online English lesson. This is valuable English listening practice for your daily routine. It is part of your personal growth and language learning journey. Now listen and repeat these phrases. I really like this dish. I absolutely love this flavor. I like it, but it is not my favorite. I think this soup is just okay. I do not like this sauce at all. I never eat very spicy food. I enjoy this meal every week. I am not a big fan of fried food. I prefer light and simple dishes. Now I want to move to social situations. Imagine you are at a restaurant with friends or coworkers. You want to sound confident in English. You want to join the conversation easily. Talking about food you like is a simple way to connect with people. You can ask questions. You can share opinions. You can make small talk while you wait for your meal. This is excellent English speaking practice and communication skills training. It also helps your social confidence in English. When you practice these phrases often, they become part of your natural study routine. You will speak English more smoothly. Remember that every video on this channel supports your English learning and pronunciation training. Now, repeat these sentences with me. What do you feel like eating tonight? Do you like this restaurant? I really enjoy the food here. The pasta looks amazing. I am thinking about ordering the salad. That dessert looks delicious. Have you tried this dish before? I love the flavors in this meal. Next time, we should try a new place. Now, let us connect food with your daily life and productivity. The food you like often supports your energy, your focus, and your personal growth. When you choose food that makes you feel good, you can study better. You can work better. You can enjoy your language learning more. In English conversations, you can talk about how food helps your study routine and productivity. This creates deeper and more interesting conversations. It also gives you more chances for English listening practice and English speaking practice. You keep building confidence in English step by step. Now listen and repeat these phrases. Eating healthy food helps my concentration. I feel more productive when I eat light meals. Good food gives me energy to study English. I like snacks that keep me focused. A balanced meal helps me feel calm and clear. I choose food that supports my personal growth. My daily English practice feels easier after a good meal. I enjoy cooking simple, healthy dishes at home. Eating well is part of my study routine. We are coming to the end of this practice session. Today, you practiced speaking about food you like. You talked about breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, desserts, and your personal preferences. This is powerful daily English practice. You worked on English listening practice, English speaking practice, and improving English pronunciation. Remember that repetition is the key to clear communication and confidence in English. You can replay this episode many times. Listen again and repeat the phrases until they feel natural in your mouth. Every time you practice, you train your ears and your tongue. Your natural English accent becomes smoother and more comfortable. This English listening podcast is here to support your online learning and personal development. I am Cody, your English coach. I read all your comments. Tell me what you would like to work on next. Tell me what topics you want for your future English listening practice. I am here for you and your language learning journey. Every video on this channel helps your pronunciation training and communication skills. Subscribe so you do not miss any future practice sessions. Come back tomorrow for your next daily English workout. Keep going. Keep practicing, and keep speaking about food you like and the life you love in clear, confident English.